Did you know that nearly 80% of adults experience some form of dental issue in their lifetime? That's right. It's a staggering statistic that highlights just how crucial dental health really is. If you're looking to keep your smile bright and your teeth in tip-top shape, stick around because we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to perfect teeth. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about perfect teeth. I mean, who doesn't want a dazzling smile that lights up the room, right? A healthy smile can boost your confidence and even impact your overall health. So, let's break down why perfect teeth are often a common goal for so many of us. Now, let's get real for a second. Achieving perfect teeth isn't always a walk in the park. There are some common dental problems that many of us face. For starters, cavities can sneak up on you if you're not careful. They can be painful and lead to even bigger issues if left untreated. Then there's gum disease, which can affect not just your oral health but your overall health, too. And let's not forget about discoloration. Whether it's from coffee, tea, or just age, nobody wants to deal with yellowing teeth. So, maintaining that pearly white smile can definitely feel like a challenge sometimes. But fear not. There are plenty of ways to achieve and maintain perfect teeth. First off, let's talk about proper oral hygiene. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and using mouthwash can work wonders for your dental health. Not only that, but what you eat also plays a huge role. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, and dairy can help strengthen your teeth. And hey, don't skip those regular dental checkups. Visiting your dentist every 6 months can help catch any issues early on. So, keeping these practices in mind can make a significant difference in your quest for perfect teeth. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.